Hi guys, it's Ep.82 Coaches here, and welcome back to the Speed Builds. And this time it's with the rocks next to that spring, hammer spring thing. Of course, there ain't that much to say for the most part right now. It's just like, like a constant thing at the moment anyway. Anyways, with this thing, it's just gonna be like, like exciting things and all that. And it's just gonna be like 1, 2, 3 right now anyway. It's like not that big right now at least. And which as you guys probably saw at this minute, not this minute. This video is like 6.5 minutes. It's like it was originally like 12 minutes and like something seconds or something. I don't know, but once I didn't after I did all of this, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this anyway. But it's like all fun anyways. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys just watch it anyway. So I'll come back in like 5 or so minutes anyway.
you are. At Rasmussen
Of course,
University,
you got it, and
green means go.
of course, now we're back. Of course, I'm probably just gonna end today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like today's video. Of course, I'm probably gonna do some more of these in the future, but not really any now. But of course, I'm gonna let you guys. I'm gonna let the thing keep going, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of you guys' day and all that.